Bring it back.
Alright guys, so welcome back. This is what I've been talking about. These are the guns that I received to do a demonstration on them, do a review on them. They're done by a company called Walcom. Genesi Carbonio 360s. This gun, this one's the HTE Clear 1.3, and this one's HTE Base 1.3 also. Let me open them up and let me show you the content. Alright guys, once you open them up, this is what's inside the gun, inside the box actually. This is what's inside the box. Get you a better view. This is what's inside the box, guys, and I'll be getting the pots. The pots were delivered a little bit late, so I'll be getting the pots for both of them. Let's start with the gun. This gun, the one with the white trim, that's gonna be the clear gun. Trying to focus right here. Yeah, the 360. The 360 means that it weighs 360 grams, and it's a very light gun. It is a very light gun. These guns are made in Italy, so I'll be, like I said, I'll be doing a full respray of a vehicle with these guns. So I'll give you my full feedback on them. What comes in the package is the gun. You have your wrench to disassemble your wrench. You also have a cleaning brush, and what's good about this gun, it's also they give you a kit, a rebuild kit, which I don't think I'll be needing, but it's good to have. And they give you some white mineral oil to lubricate the gun also. And some warranties, some instructions. I also have a regulator. It's also made by them. I'll be testing it out. This regulator can be used in PSI and also in bar. So I'll be using this one also. This regulator, I don't know if you've seen some videos that once you put your set pressure, you can just detach it. Detach it and have this on the gun, so you won't have the other part there. Alright, now for the base gun. The base gun is also an HTE base right there. And let me see if I can get the front of the gun. And it's also very lightweight. The trigger is perfect. The fits in the hand perfectly. So yeah, that's what this is the base. The base is gonna be in orange. They also have two more guns. I believe it's a Geo and HVOP gun. Yeah, I'll be doing a review on the base, how it shoots, and on the clear gun also. Alright guys, here's their information. Their headquarters in Italy. I want to thank Walcom for sending me these two guns for review. I really appreciate it. I'll be doing, like I said, I'll be doing a full respray on a vehicle. That way I can give you my honest opinion on the guns. And there's another one, guys. Stay tuned. The full respray is coming up. It's being done as we speak right now. So still gotta edit. I still gotta do all that. So. Just stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, like I said, stay tuned guys, and also share the video guys, like the video, give it a thumbs up, it helps me a lot. Another thing, I don't know if you guys have noticed, I placed a little link for PayPal. If you guys can help me out, whatever you can, it'll help me a lot. It'll help me make some more videos for you guys, some more tutorials, and I'll be maybe giving away a couple of guns, man. If it comes through, I'll be using that funds for that. So like I said guys, I'll be coming soon. That video is being processed right now, it's being edited, so give me a couple of days and you'll have that video, that full respray with these two guns. Alright guys, thank you.